Hello and welcome. PDF, or Portable Document Format, is an open standard for document exchange. It was created by Adobe in 1993 as a way to create documents that would work the same on a variety of different operating systems, such as Windows, Linux, and Mac. Adobe offers Adobe Reader for free, which allows you to view the files only. You can pay around $450 for the Pro version, which allows you to edit PDF files, or you can just use OpenOffice.org for free. The default OpenOffice.org installation includes the ability to export a PDF, but does not have the ability to open or edit them. To enable this ability, we need to install the PDF import extension. If the PDF document being worked on is less than 20 pages and doesn't contain any advanced vector graphics or special fonts, this is the solution for you. You can edit text, font family, font size, weight, style, graphics, and more. It also works with password-protected PDF files. Let's open OpenOffice.org. Click the Windows Start button, All Programs, OpenOffice.org 3.3, and then OpenOffice.org. The OpenOffice.org launcher window will open. Let's take a look at what happens if we try to open a PDF without the extension. Click on the File menu, then Open. Let's select a PDF file and click Open. I have a test PDF file here. We can see that it just shows gibberish. Let's fix that by installing the PDF import extension. Click on the Tools menu, then Extension Manager. On the Extension Manager window that opens, click the Get More Extensions Online link. It will open a web browser and bring you to the OpenOffice.org extensions page. In the search field, enter PDF and press Enter. In the search results, the top result should be the Oracle PDF import extension. Click the link for the import extension. Read more about the import extension if you wish. Then scroll down to the download section. It has links for downloads for various operating systems, such as Windows, Linux, and Mac. I am using Windows 7, so I will download the Windows version. To the right of Windows, I'll click the Win32 Intel link. Review the download information, and click the Get It button. On the download information bar, click the down arrow button to the right of Save, and select Save As. On the Save As window that opens, we need to pick a location to save the file. This can be anywhere you want. When we install the extension, it makes a copy of this file and places it in the OpenOffice directory. Click the Save button. Navigate back to the Extension Manager. Click the Add button. On the Add Extension window that opens, select the file we just saved, and click the Open button. It will ask you who should have access to this extension. Click the For All Users button. On the Extension Software License Agreement window that opens, read the license agreement, and then click the Accept button. We can now see PDF import listed in the extensions list. If at a later date we no longer wanted to use this extension, we could come back here and click the Remove button. You can also come back here to check for updates to the installed extensions. Let's click the Close button to close the Extension Manager. Let's try to open a PDF document again and see what happens. We briefly see a green bar at the bottom showing us the import extension is processing the document. PDF documents are opened in the Draw program of OpenOffice. Everything in the PDF now looks correct. Now not only does the PDF document open, but you can now select text and change it. You can also select charts or diagrams, resize them, or change their location, and do most of the basic editing that you need. When we go to save the file, by clicking the File menu, and then Save As, it wants to save the file in the ODF drawing format. There is no option here for PDF. This is fine for editing and storage, but you probably want to save this file as a PDF. To save it as a PDF, click the File menu, and then Export as PDF. On the PDF options window that opens, leave all the defaults and click the Export button. The Export window will open. Browse to a location you want to save the file, and click the Save button. You can use the same method to convert a Word doc to a PDF. Just open the doc file in OpenOffice.org text document, then click File and Export as PDF as we did before. So we can now open PDF documents, edit them, and export them as a PDF again. We can open a text document like a Word document, and then export it as a PDF. This should cover the PDF editing needs of most users.